Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guess what I just saw? Right behind you guys. Help. You pump up this, and then when you're done, you unpress this button here. It might not work. So
pull it. Yeah, nice.
That's how you do it. You press this button and it works.
What is it?
The chainsaw. Oh yeah! Yeah, chainsaw!
You just pull on that one as hard as you can.
Okay.
Ready? Pull on it.
Okay.
Oh, ready? Go. Go. Go, pull. Oh,
Which bit, Hamish?
We're doing this with our haircut, aren't we? Like we give us our haircut. And it's really bloating. Hey, I fixed it! I fixed it, guys! How happy is that? Really happy! Yeah! I'm more happy at Lawnmowers. Hey, Dad!
yes, mate.
If you don't get hurt that bit.
Cereal?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Got a big pull. Go. Go.
Have it. This bit died. Clean in the pile.
This is going to take me for ages, Hamish. How am I going to clean this up?
So my idea is to
Yes.
take your lawnmower
Yes.
and then run it over the grass.
Yes.
Yeah, this bit.
Yes.
And it's all done. That's how we were going to do it.
Nice.
What the hell? Whoa! No, it's this bit here.
Oh, this bit.
Now, you already got it. Then just do it as we need it to, okay?
Whoa, look. This in the bin. Yeah.
Wow! It's that sounds good. This button pushes this button makes this turn, look. It's speeding up! Yes.
Whoa. So cool, Hamish. Look what you got. A chainsaw.
And it's fun and you can find the noise. If something falls on your head, just protect.
Whoa.
Oh, I actually dropped some. Look at all scattered in. Look how much are there.
Wow.
Look so much. Look how much there are. There's millions. There's millions.
This is a push lawnmower. This is a whippersnapper or a weed eater. This is a hedge trimmer. This is a rider. And another rider.
So what's your problem?
I need someone to mow my lawn.
Okay.
I'll pay you $50.
$50! Oh, I'm so hot. No, my leg's break. Oh no! Who stole my lawnmower? Let's ring the police. Ring, please. What's your emergency? My lawnmower is stolen. I'll be on my way. She stole my lawnmower and it was over here and now it's gone. I was just eating my lunch and then it disappeared. Goes to the hospital. It's raining. Dress up, Mimi! I'm a fly top and my dog is Dog Blippi.
Dog Blippi!
I'm gonna do this at home.
She doesn't want to wear the glasses.
Ready? Steady.
Whoa!
This is so good. It's a car, a lawnmower, and a big lawnmower, and lawnmower stops. travel around the world. So easy. A chainsaw. It cuts too. Like this. Off we go. You can call the ambulance if you're hurt. Hey, look at this, guys. We should keep jumping and maybe another present will come down, guys.
I didn't mean I'm crazy doing this. So good, I'm not crazy. I didn't just snatch it. Just snatch it. See the button. Right, now it's a helicopter.
Except the passenger comes back up and flies off. Pick that up. Let's get out. Let's mow the lawn. Let's go glasses, yeah? Oh no, I broke my leg. Oh, he broke his bone, this guy. It's so dangerous breaking bones.
Yes, we'll be right there.
We gotta go. Let's go. Alright, we gotta. Oh wait, no, the ambulance can't go. We need the helicopter. I can see it. We better go down. Going down. We'll put it in.
Hey kids, if you like watching Min Playtime, ask a grown-up to help you subscribe. We've got loads of fun videos for kids. Garbage trucks, lawnmowers. Let's go play Min Playtime.
What is it, Tractor? Tractor!
Did he wave?
Come on, let's go play.
I need a lawnmower. That's a big one. It's on 3. 3, 2, 1. Have to mow the lawn.
Yeah!
That hurt. Maybe I need a leaf blower trampoline. Yeah, I gotta go get the leaf blower.
What?
Who's over there? Where did they come from? You empty one. 1, 2,
Coming up, a lawnmower, a banana phone. Come on, let's go play.
That is mine.
Oh, no.
It's mine.
Okay, give it back.
I want it. Oh no!
You guys are fighting too much. You need to go outside. You need to go out now.
Dad, go in the pool and sit on the banana.
Hi. Yep. I need something really, really scary. Really scary. Hello, Minimum Playtime. Can you get me something scarier, please?
Really, really scary.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Let's play a trick on Dad.
Yeah.
Can I play buy a puzzle so we can play tricks on our dad? Like really, really scary. The scariest thing in the entire university.
Coming up, new construction trucks and a crane rescue. A banana phone?
Handyman Playtime Rescue, what's your emergency?
Oh no! Come on, let's go play. Min Min, playtime.
Oh no, I call for help.
Wing, 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 wing. Min Min Playtime Rescue, what's your emergency?
Please help. Okay, I'll be right there. Bye.
This truck's way too small. I'll need a bigger one.
Oh, my truck! No!
Hello, Big Cranes.
Oh, my crane! It fell in the pool! Please, please, help!
Right, I'll be right there. Okay, bye. Deep-sea divers, we've got a problem. I need a deep-sea rescue.
I'll be right there.